In this video, I'm going to show you how to use MIDI in Cakewalk Sonar. Now, if you want to connect your MIDI keyboard or controller, you want to go to Edit, top left, and then you want to go to Preferences, and from here, you want to go to where it says MIDI, and you want to click on Devices. Now, from here, you can find Inputs. Of course, you want to plug in your MIDI device into your computer, and from here, you'll be able to find it, and of course, with that, you can just click on it and then apply and confirm, and that's going to, of course, allow you to use your MIDI keyboard or controller together with your Cakewalk Sonar. So whenever you've done this, of course, you can then go and add a new MIDI track. So I'm going to do right click, insert MIDI track. You could press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. It's going to work as well. And from here where you can see the input, you want to find your, of course, your MIDI keyboard. Now, for me, I don't actually have one, so I'm going to use the virtual controller, and I'm just going to go with this MIDI Omni over here. Now, whenever you've done this, of course, you can just go ahead and, of course, record mount this. So click on record on, and you can then go and just start recording and playing your MIDI, and it's going to work. But for me, I don't actually have a MIDI, so I'm going to use the, of course, piano roll available in here. What you want to do is go to Views, and then virtual controllers, and then you can do computer or piano keyboard. I'm going to use the piano one, and then I'm going to go here, position myself, click on this master record button, and now I can just go ahead and start playing, as you can see over here, and it's recording MIDI. Now, in my case, it's recording my voice in the back as well because I had that enabled, but that's essentially how you can do this. When you're done, hit the pause button in your recording, and you'll see that, there we go, here is my MIDI recording, okay? I can now go ahead, and if I double click on it here, I'll be able to change it and see basically what MIDI I have in here, okay? So that's how to do it, super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.